15 healthy late-night snacks you can eat. Late-night cravings are genuine, and we've all experienced them. According to studies, our biological cycles may cause us to seek fatty or sweet foods at night. Hello, and welcome back to Pistachios. When we're hungry late at night, we often turn to the usual suspects. They are easily accessible, and the selections available everywhere appear to be harmful. When we can't locate any decent options, we're more likely to settle for less nutritious options. However, this does not have to be the case all of the time. There are numerous late-night eating options that are genuinely healthy, and we'll tell you about them in today's video. Popcorn, hummus, sweet potatoes, almonds, Greek yogurt, and other items are available. Wait till the conclusion to find out about them all. Oatmeal. You may connect oatmeal with the early morning hours, but it also offers numerous nighttime advantages. To begin with, oats are a complex food that will break down slowly in your system, preventing blood sugar spikes that could disrupt your sleep. And you're not alone if you find a warm bowl of oats comfortable and relaxing. According to one study, carbs really work with your brain to release serotonin, which calms you down. It also aids in the production of melatonin, which aids in a comfortable night's sleep. Have you tried oatmeal for dinner before? Would you rather eat it with fruits, milk, or in some other way? Tell us in the comment section below. Popcorn. You're attempting to satisfy a craving, not induce a food coma. This is where popcorn comes in. This salty, crunchy snack is minimal in calories. A 3-cup portion contains around 100 calories, so you can eat without feeling suffocated. There's also the issue of complex carbs. A whole grain bedtime snack will stay to your ribs much longer than a cookie or a dish of ice cream. No matter how appealing it seems. Low-fat cottage cheese. This option has a negative reputation for being a bland, dull weight loss mainstay. However, it is a secret gem for insomniacs. The lean protein aids in the production of serotonin. For a 100-calorie nighttime snack with a hint of melatonin, top a half-cup dish with raspberries, crackers with cheese. When it comes to sleeping, cheese is surprisingly effective. This is due to its high calcium content. It's also high in protein, with a dash of tryptophan and melatonin thrown in for good measure. For the ultimate protein-carb combination, pair a couple pieces of cheese with whole grain crackers, sprouted bread, or apple slices. Hummus. There's another reason to enjoy chickpeas. It's high in protein, with roughly 3 grams per 2 tablespoons. They are also high in lysine and tahini, both of which are high in the amino acid methionine. These foods are incomplete proteins on their own, but when combined to make hummus, they form a complete protein. What is the significance of complete proteins? It basically keeps you full, so no more tossing and turning with a rumbly stomach. Hummus can be used as a dip for raw vegetables as a late-night snack. Milk and cereal. You should save cereal for breakfast. However, it can also serve as a nutritious late-night snack and aid in sleep. According to one study, eating high glycemic carbs before bedtime shortened the time it took participants to fall asleep. Keep your servings small. Make sure your snack is under 300 calories, especially if you suffer from heartburn. Heavy meals are not recommended in this situation. A cup of cornflakes contains 100 calories, whereas a half cup of skim milk contains 45. Calcium, a mineral found in dairy products, plays a direct role in the generation of the sleep hormone melatonin. Furthermore, it functions as a natural relaxant in the body. Jelly and peanut butter. This childhood favorite is best enjoyed at night. This is why certain foods, such as peanut butter, contain tryptophan, an amino acid that is processed in the brain into melatonin, which promotes sleepiness. However, carbs such as bread and jelly are required to increase the availability of tryptophan to the brain. Rice cakes with natural almond butter. If you frequently find yourself rummaging in the pantry around 9 p.m., keep a few snacks on hand, such as rice cakes and almond butter. They are quick, healthful, and filling. And at 35 calories per cake, go ahead and pile it on. For 101 calories and 9.5 grams of healthy fat, add a spoonful of natural almond butter. Whole wheat English muffin with nut butter. Instead of a large slice of bread, use a whole wheat English muffin with nut butter if you're craving carbs. Choose those with fewer than 150 calories and 10 grams of protein. And if you add a spoonful of nut butter, you'll receive some healthy fats, which aid with hunger control. You can also top it with tomato sauce and cheese to make a pizza bagel that is high in protein. However, if you have acid reflux, avoid it because tomatoes might be a trigger. Tart cherry juice with chia seeds, a natural source of melatonin. Tart cherry juice has been found in multiple trials to aid sleep. In one trial, women aged 50 and above with insomnia were given either tart cherry juice or a placebo to drink in the morning and 1 to 2 hours before bed. Those that drank the real thing slept about an hour and a half longer per night after a few weeks. A few tablespoons of chia seeds add not only fiber and plant protein, but also tryptophan, a precursor to melatonin. Furthermore, sour cherry juice and chia seeds are both excellent anti-inflammatory meals. Sweet potatoes. The high carbohydrate content of sweet potatoes increases serotonin, a brain chemical that causes relaxation, making this root vegetable an excellent late-night snack. Sweet potatoes are high in the immune-boosting vitamins A and C. 1 cup with the skin, around the size of a tennis ball, also contains 950 milligrams of potassium, which is more than double the amount found in a medium banana. Drizzle it with a mixture of 2 teaspoons warm water, 1 teaspoon pure maple syrup, and a pinch of cinnamon powder. Potatoes are one of the most nutritious foods available. Watch this video on what happens to your body when you eat potatoes every day to learn more about its health benefits. Back to the healthy late-night nibbles. Pistachios and kiwi. According to study, eating kiwi on a daily basis improves both sleep quality and quantity. In one study, men and women with sleep problems ate 2 kiwis 1 hour before bed for 4 weeks. Sleep diaries and wristwatches used to track sleep found that kiwi eaters slept 35% faster. They also slept more deeply and had a 14% increase in total sleep time. An ounce of pistachios boosts antioxidants, plant protein, healthy fat, and minerals. And this nut has the highest concentration of sleep-promoting melatonin of any nut. Pumpkin seeds on top of mashed banana. Bananas, a popular comfort food, have been demonstrated to increase blood melatonin levels. They are also high in potassium, which helps maintain normal blood pressure, heart function, and muscle contractions. It also aids in the prevention of muscle cramping. Mash this fruit and top with an ounce of pumpkin seeds, which include plant protein, fiber, healthy fat, zinc, and magnesium. Magnesium, in particular, aids in the relaxing process that prepares your body for sleep and plays a role in melatonin control. Nuts. If you're exhausted but still want to eat, a small handful of nuts is a great option. This is due to the high protein and healthy fat content. Nuts are nutritious powerhouses that can help control blood sugar levels, fight inflammation, reduce appetite, aid in weight loss, and reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease. Raw almonds, pistachios, and macadamias are strong and healthy fats that suppress hunger, improve brain function, and aid in fat burning. Furthermore, almonds and walnuts are high in melatonin. Just make sure you only eat a few and not the entire bag, about 200 calories per quarter cup, give or take. Yogurt from Greece. Before night, you can enjoy the high protein content of Greek yogurt in a variety of ways. Blend it into a smoothie, combine it with fresh fruit and honey for a parfait, or simply eat it plain. It's high in protein and probiotics, and it also contains tryptophan, which aids in the production of melatonin and serotonin. When you combine yogurt with fresh fruit, your body uses the tryptophan more quickly. While these healthy snacks can help you sleep better, there are other ways to get a good night's sleep. Please let us know in the comments section below.